Now, if you've chosen it from the dashboard, you're taken here to the Home tab. You can see all of the available templates. Now, as you hover over each one, you can see a little preview, and if you click on it, you can see a bigger version. You can see it's 17 seconds long with 5 scenes. Let's use this template to create a video, and we're taken to the editor. You can see all the text that we can edit. So we can change the price. It's like $10 an hour. You can kind of see it overlaid here. Change the picture. Now we're taken to our library. There's nothing in here right now, but this is where any previously uploaded images will appear. Otherwise, we can hit browse. Just grab this image. The beach. Let's click on it. Now the option to crop. Otherwise, it's going to automatically resize down to the right size. Let's choose this image. See it here. There's also a logo here. Let's click on that. Let's upload a logo. Icon. Choose. Good. Next. Good. More pictures. Looks good. Our phone number. And we're good. Next, we're going to customize our music. You can see here's the default track. But we can change it to any of these. Hit preview. If we like it, we just hit the button next to it. And that's our new track. We also have the option to upload our own music from our computer. Stick with this one, hit next, and we're ready to start rendering. Click the button. We're taken to our projects view. See, here's that new project we just made. It's rendering right now. We can take a look at our previously rendered one. If we click it, you can see it playing. We have the option to download it, save it to our computer. We can also delete it, or we can edit it if we just need to make a quick change and render it again. Thanks for watching.